Hey hackers, so in the previous video we showed you guys how to do reconnaissance on the Wi-Fi Pineapple. Now in this video we're actually going to be cracking WPA2 passwords with the Wi-Fi Pineapple. We have our Wi-Fi Pineapple Mark VII all chilling over here, booting up and all that. First thing we want to do is reconnaissance. Now if you don't know how to do reconnaissance, you can check out this previous video on how we can do reconnaissance, or you can check out our Wi-Fi Pineapple course on our website, cosmodiumcs.com/courses. There we have courses on the Wi-Fi Pineapple, Bash Bunny, USB Rubber.key, Python, and a bunch of other cool stuff. But regardless, we can check out my screen right now. We are doing some reconnaissance from the last video. Now here we can also check out some abilities, or some way we can actually capture handshakes. You'll see this handshakes tab up here, and the handshakes tab basically is where we can save all the handshakes that we capture. Now if you don't know what a handshake is, you know how your phone or laptop automatically will connect to that Wi-Fi once you have it saved on your device, right? So like every time you come home, you don't have to re-enter the password. Your phone will just automatically connect to your Wi-Fi Pineapple. That handshake that's being sent between your phone and the router, we can capture that and get the password hash from your phone. But yeah, so we can actually check out and see if we can grab that password hash and then see if we can use something like hashcat to get the password. So let's go ahead and do that. First thing we want to do is choose our specific target we want to capture passwords from. I'm gonna choose my router because I'm not going to be doing this on other people's routers. So I'm clicking on my router, which is this one right here. The file is 18KNG one. Then what we're going to do is go ahead and see the capture WPA handshakes. So we can click that, and it's going to ask us if we want to start the capture on this target. So we'll hit start capture. Cool. So now it turned red, and now it's basically saying, hey, we are going to start capturing handshakes on this target. Awesome. So while it's connecting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on my phone and make sure that I'm connected to this target. Or to this target Wi-Fi. There you go. Okay, so it just captured it like that. So yeah, I just connected on my phone and already captured it. But I'm going to show you guys another way you can capture it. But you'll see here, right, if I hit the deauthenticate all clients button right here, what it's going to do is deauthenticate the entire router. So all the devices connected to the router will be disconnected and then reconnected. But now we have the handshake captured. You actually guys can't see it with my camera covering, but there's a notification saying, hey, that we captured the Wi-Fi handshake. So let's go over to our handshakes. So yes, we have the partial capture here and the full capture. You're going to want to use the full capture. All right, so what we want to do is download our hashcat version. If you download the packet capture version, you're going to have to convert it. It's a little bit more complicated. There are some tutorials on how to do it, but you are better off just downloading the hashcat version. So download that hashcat version, and we're going to save that file into our downloads folder. So now that we have the hash saved to our computer, right, if we list in our downloads, we saved it to our downloads folder, and then you'll see I have this list.txt file. Now I know the Wi-Fi password for this router. I already know the Wi-Fi password, and I know that it's not in RockU, so I made my own custom list. But quickly, I will show you guys how to use it with RockU as well. So we can do hashcat, and then get the name of our hashcat file. We'll do attack M mode, and the mode we're going to want to use is this mode that's listed here, the 22,000. So we'll do 22,000. The last thing we want to do is actually list what word list we want to use, right? For this example, we can do user share word list. Yeah, and then RockU, right? So this command would basically start the brute force on all the passwords that we have in RockU against this Wi-Fi router, or this hash right here. And if any of the hashes match, we got the answer. Now I already know that this hash or that word list doesn't work, so we can use our own word list that we have right there. I just clear the screen, make it a little easier to read. So what we're going to do is hashcat, and then we're going to take our hashed file. Then we'll do the tech M of 22,000, and what we'll do is we'll use our list.txt and run it. Now this shouldn't use too much processing power because it should be pretty straightforward. However, it can vary on the computer, but you'll see it just got our Wi-Fi password, right? So you can see at the top here, it has listed our Wi-Fi password. I'm probably gonna have to censor this out, but it says like the MAC address, the SSID, and the Wi-Fi password. And same thing here, you can see that it has the Wi-Fi password listed at the bottom there. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully that was pretty straightforward, right? Cracking WPA2 passwords. Now with that Wi-Fi password, you can now connect to the network, and now you're on the network. So you can start scanning for other devices, you can start targeting or do whatever else you are doing on your engagement. But regardless, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to check out the courses that we have at cosmodiumcs.com/courses. And yeah, stay happy, stay positive, and as always, happy hacking. Hey hackers, Blue Cosmo from CCS here, and I wanted to introduce you guys to the Happy Hacker Site Plan. The Happy Hacker Site Plan is a plan where you guys can support us for only $1 a month. That's right, $1. With this comes exclusive benefits like courses, articles, videos, and access to our entire cybersecurity knowledge base. If this interests you and you guys want to get access to all this, check out the link in the description. It's only $1, so we definitely appreciate your guys' support. Anyway, enjoy the video, and happy hacking.